scientists have discovered a hidden pattern in nature that challenges our understanding of survival. Deep within the Amazon rainforest, a phenomenon has been observed that turns the conventional wisdom of survival upside down. For centuries, the notion of a trophic cascade has been understood as the top-down control of ecosystems by apex predators. However, a recent study suggests that the actual driver of this cascade may not be the predators at all, but a complex network of insects and microorganisms. These tiny creatures play a crucial role in breaking down plant material and recycling nutrients, creating a fertile ground for new life. But that's not the strangest part. This network has been observed to be incredibly resilient, able to recover from even the most extreme disturbances. Wait until you hear what comes next. Researchers have found that this resilience is not just a result of the network's complexity, but also its ability to adapt to changing conditions. Imagine a web of relationships between species that can adjust to shifts in the environment, ensuring the survival of the entire ecosystem. However, this adaptability comes at a cost. The network can also become overly complex, leading to a phenomenon known as information overload. But what exactly is information overload, and how does it affect the survival of the ecosystem? It's like trying to navigate a maze. With too many paths, the system becomes overwhelmed, and the entire network can collapse. And then something unexpected happened. Researchers discovered that this collapse is not just a result of the system's complexity, but also its inability to process noise. Noise, in this context, refers to random fluctuations in the environment that can have a disproportionate impact on the system's behavior. For example, a sudden change in temperature can cause a ripple effect throughout the network, leading to a cascade of failures. But the researchers found that the network can actually use these fluctuations to its advantage, using them as a source of information to adapt and learn. This is known as chaos-induced learning, and it's a game changer for our understanding of survival in complex systems. But how does this apply to real-world ecosystems? The researchers used computer simulations to model the behavior of the network, and the results were astonishing. They found that the network was able to learn and adapt at an exponential rate, far outpacing the ability of the predators to control it. And then they discovered something even more remarkable. The network was able to create its own predators, effectively taking control of its own destiny. This is a major breakthrough in our understanding of survival in complex systems, and it has far-reaching implications for fields such as ecology, biology, and even economics. The researchers suggest that this phenomenon could be used to create more resilient and adaptable systems, capable of withstanding even the most extreme challenges. However, this also raises important questions about the role of humans in these systems. Are we just passive observers, or do we play a more active role in shaping the outcome? The researchers are quick to point out that this is not a call to arms, but rather a reminder of our responsibility to respect and preserve the natural world. And then there's the question of how we can apply this knowledge to real-world problems. Can we use chaos-induced learning to create more sustainable and resilient systems? The answer, it turns out, is yes, but it requires a fundamental shift in our understanding of survival and our place within the natural world. This is a story of discovery, of exploring the unknown and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. And it's a reminder that, even in the most complex and chaotic systems, there lies a hidden pattern waiting to be uncovered. The researchers are already working on applying this knowledge to real-world problems, from environmental conservation to economic development. But for now, let's take a step back and appreciate the sheer scale and complexity of this phenomenon. Imagine a world where entire ecosystems are capable of learning and adapting at an exponential rate. It's a world that's both exhilarating and terrifying. But what does this mean for us? As individuals and as a society, it means that we have a responsibility to respect and preserve the natural world, to recognize our place within the larger ecosystem. And it means that we have a unique opportunity to learn from the natural world, to apply the principles of chaos-induced learning to our own lives and systems. The researchers suggest that this could lead to a new era of sustainability and resilience, where humans and the natural world work together in harmony. But this is not a utopian vision. It's a hard-won understanding of the complex and often chaotic world we live in. It's a world that's full of surprises, full of hidden patterns and unexpected consequences. And it's a world that requires us to be adaptable, to learn and grow at an exponential rate. So what does the future hold for this phenomenon? And for our understanding of survival in complex systems, the researchers are already working on applying this knowledge to real-world problems, from environmental conservation to economic development. And they are confident that this could lead to a new era of sustainability and resilience, where humans and the natural world work together in harmony. But for now, let's take a step back and appreciate the sheer scale and complexity of this phenomenon. It's a reminder that, even in the most complex and chaotic systems, there lies a hidden pattern waiting to be uncovered. And it's a testament to the power of human curiosity and ingenuity, to our ability to explore the unknown and push the boundaries of human knowledge. The researchers are excited to continue exploring this phenomenon, to learn more about the hidden patterns and unexpected consequences of chaos-induced learning. And they are calling on us to join them on this journey of discovery, to explore the complexities and wonders of the natural world. So what do you think? Is this a game changer for our understanding of survival in complex systems? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more incredible stories like this. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.